Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Damilola Nima. Today I'm showing you guys how to cornrow natural hair. With this video you can learn to cornrow your own hair and you will be able to cornrow other people's hair as well. So if you are interested in this tutorial, please stay tuned, watch without skipping because each second in this video has different information which I guess you can't afford to miss. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with everyone because you might be helping someone. Please hit the subscribe button, let's build a family. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time I upload videos like this. To make my natural hair easy to work with, I had moisturized and detangled it properly. I'll start by sectioning my hair into 2 equal parts. I actually don't have a mirror here, so I'll be tracing the lines with my fingers. You can use a cutting comb, a styling comb, or a wide tooth comb, like the one I'm using now for parting. Please look closely and get what I'm about to do right now. The first thing you need to learn is how to place your hand when cornrowing, then the process. So I'll part a small section at the front to illustrate how to start exactly. You need to divide this strand of hair I'm holding into 3 parts. Then position your hand as seen here. Then you start cornrowing by using your thumb as supporter to your index finger and also as stopper and holder for each strand next to your thumb. The index finger will be the errand girl, so it moves in between the strand to grab and drag the strand in and out. So what you need to do now is insert your index finger in between the right and the middle part of the hair strand facing backward, then to the left side facing front at a time. The middle strand step forward like that, then grab the middle strand and insert with the other index finger and insert the index finger in between the 2 other strands to exchange the strands. Repeat the process as you move towards the back, adding strands of hair from both sides gradually till you are done. You may need to keep doing this for some times, then finally you get it someday. It may be a bit difficult at the beginning, but it's as easy as you want it to be. So keep trying. this video helps. So if you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with everyone because you might be helping someone. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's absolutely free. Hit the subscribe button, let's build a family. And turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any videos each time I upload. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.